WSFS Bank, headquartered in Delaware, offers several Visa credit card options to customers in the United States. These cards often come with benefits like cashback rewards, low introductory APRs for balance transfers, and no annual fees on some cards. Applying for a WSFS credit card generally involves the following steps. Step 1. Review and choose a credit card. Before you begin the application, it's crucial to select the WSFS Bank credit card that best aligns with your financial needs and spending habits. Consider the following. Explore WSFS Bank's credit card offerings, visit the official WSFS Bank website and navigate to their credit card section for US customers. They typically offer options like the Cashback Visa credit card and the Platinum Visa credit card. They may also have business credit card options. Understand the rewards and benefits. Carefully review the rewards programs, e.g., cashback percentages on different spending categories, introductory offers, like 0% APR periods on purchases or balance transfers, and any additional perks such as travel accident insurance or purchase protection. Check the fees and interest rates. Pay close attention to the annual fees, if any, the annual percentage rate, April, for purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. Also, note any potential foreign transaction fees or other charges. Consider your creditworthiness. WSFS Bank will evaluate your credit history when you apply. Generally, a good to excellent credit score increases your chances of approval for cards with better rewards and lower interest rates. Compare options. Take the time to compare the different WSFS Bank cards and see which one offers the features and benefits that are most valuable to you. Step 2. Gather required information. Once you've chosen a card, gather the necessary information to complete the application smoothly. Personal information. Full legal name. Date of birth. Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. Current residential address and previous address, if you've lived at your current address for less than a certain period. Phone number. Email address. Financial information. Employer name and address, if employed. Your occupation or profession. Gross annual income. Other sources of income, if applicable. Monthly housing payment, rent or mortgage. Bank account information may be requested for payment purposes. Identification documents. While the application is typically online, you should have your driver's license or other government-issued ID readily available to ensure you enter your information accurately. Step 3. Complete the application. The most common way to apply for a WSFS Bank credit card in the USA is online. Visit the WSFS Bank website. Go to the credit card section of the WSFS Bank US website. Select your chosen card. Click on the specific credit card you want to apply for. Click Apply Now or similar. Look for a button or link that says Apply Now, Apply Online, or similar. Fill out the online form. Carefully complete all the required fields with the personal and financial information you gathered in Step 2. Review and agree to terms. Before submitting, you will be presented with the terms and conditions of the credit card agreement. Read these thoroughly before proceeding. WSFS Bank may also offer the option to apply in person at a branch or over the phone, but the online application is generally the most efficient method. Step 4. Review and submit. Before you finalize and submit your application, double-check all information. Review every field you filled to ensure accuracy and completeness. Mistakes can lead to delays or even denial of your application. Understand the commitment. By submitting the application, you are agreeing to the terms and conditions if your application is approved. Submit the application. Once you are confident that all the information is correct, click the Submit button to send your application to WSFS Bank. After submitting your application, WSFS Bank will review it, which will likely involve checking your credit history. You will typically receive a decision via email or mail. If approved, your new credit card will be mailed to your provided address. Please remember that as of my last update, WSFS Bank primarily operates in the Mid-Atlantic region of the United States. Ensure you meet their eligibility requirements and reside in an area where they offer credit card services.